Unlocking free Amazon gift cards has never been easier, and I'm about to share the ultimate guide that'll change your game. Imagine earning gift cards just by sharing your opinion through surveys or completing microtasks. Sounds awesome, right? Julia Fonda's proven tactics are the real deal. Whether you're a busy single parent, a student hustling on the side, or just someone looking to snag a little extra cash for that wish list. Tired of spending your hard-earned money on Amazon purchases? What if you could get your favorite products for free? With Unlock free Amazon gift cards, you'll discover the ultimate step-by-step guide to earning Amazon gift cards effortlessly through microtasks, surveys, and other simple online activities. This book is your key to unlocking a world of opportunities to earn rewards without leaving your home. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just looking for extra cash, this guide is packed with proven strategies, insider tips, and trusted platforms to help you maximize your earnings. With these simple blogging strategies, you'll be amazed at how quickly those gift cards stack up. Seriously, who doesn't love free stuff? It's like finding money in your pocket when you thought you were broke. So, are you ready to level up your earning potential? Click that link and dive into this guide. Your Amazon cart will thank you. Let's get those gift cards rolling.